Hey everybody, yes, we are in the house. Yes, this is another gift card giveaway. I really actually am starting to enjoy doing these. I like giving back to the people that are helping me get to where I need to go. And these are just, people seem to really enjoy them. The last few winners for the past two, Kayla and John, seem extremely happy about it. But they were very thankful, and I really like the camaraderie, and these are just a nice thing and an easy way for me to give back, and they do help this channel grow. And the more the channel grows, the more I can do things like this, and I would love to be giving more than 25, believe me, but I am a broken car guy. I have got 2 sets of tires to buy this year, racing season, the other car, I've got a clutch I've got to get ordered here this month. That's going to be a separate group of videos and my own financial pain to pay for that. And obviously I am losing 10mm sockets faster than I can go to Lowe's to replace them, so all I can afford right now is 25. But with the way this channel has been growing over the past 6 months, I easily see towards the end of the year we can start getting into bigger giveaways, car part giveaways, much more grand things on the way. I have a lot of plans this year, so here we go again. Please like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to the channel. Share this video across. If you share, I will enter you twice. Please, please, please help me push this thing. Let's grow this channel bigger, and we'll start giving away more and more stuff as time goes on. Thanks. Come here. You're going to be on camera. Come here. Come here. One more thing. Oh, this little dog. She likes treats. Don't you? Don't you? I know. She says, please like and comment and subscribe to the channel so I can get more bling. Alright, you're dismissed. You may go.
58, but you still...
Behind me, you'll see a car.